Hello, my name is Millard Randolph Curry. I'm a singer, songwriter, musician, and the managing director of ShareTheVisionFX.com. Are you a songwriter or musician desperately searching for ways to produce radio quality recordings, promote, market, and sell your music online? Are you trying to figure out how to expand your reach on the internet, increase your fan base, and get your music heard by more people around the world? Are you tired of receiving little to no money at all from your music online streaming platforms? And do you know how to properly copyright? Register with a performing rights society best suited for you? Register your music with all the best online distribution platforms and be in a position to receive every single penny that's due to you by the royalties from the ownership and total control of your music? Well, now you can. We've developed a proven system to help you eliminate all of these problems by helping you build a solid foundation for your online presence, show you how to build your own independent online music business that will properly promote, market, and sell more of your music around the world. We've created a comprehensive PDF guide and a music workshop training video developed by practicing songwriters and musicians that will show you everything you need to know to build your own independent music business on the internet. So if you're sick and tired of getting the short end of the stick by the streaming platforms and people who only give you bits and pieces of what you know is possible, I encourage you to pick up our free comprehensive PDF guide and music workshop training video right now. Just click the link or the button below or around this video and find out what's truly possible for you and your music in the new online music industry for independent artists. And I'll see you there on the inside.